back again with my friend Sheena.
Hi.
And we just freshly washed her hair with Aunt Jackie's Power Wash, which is Intensive Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. So what have you been doing with your hair since the last time we saw you?
Protective styles.
So you just took it down when?
I just took it down this week for having my protective styling for 2 months.
And we use Aunt Jackie's products to install most twists, and her hair looks popping right now. Its curls are so fresh.
Right.
So we're
curl
going to
pattern's
do
so beautiful.
a wash and go, and we're going to use Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. The Power Wash Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo removes impurities, moisturizes, while the pH balances with apple cider vinegar. The Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Twist and Curl Setting Mousse is a lightweight setting mousse, which just really moisturizes your curls and gives them the best definition without weighing it down with any heavy products. And because it's a mousse, it also cuts down on the drying time that it would take to style your hair.
Right. Aunt Jackie's.
To speed up the process even further, we used a diffuser on a low setting with medium heat. After her hair was about 80% dry, we replaced the diffuser nozzle with the concentrator nozzle to focus on stretching her roots to create more volume and length to her wash and go. Because right now, with how well her curls are all clumped, her hair is very shrunken and has a lot of shrinkage, and she prefers much bigger hair. So that's what we're doing just at the roots to preserve the curl pattern at the end. You don't want to mess that up and cause extra frizz, so be very gentle when you're doing this process. The last product we added to her hair was the Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist, and this is very lightweight and just adds extra sheen and helps to minimize frizz in the process of me separating her curls. And the final step is to just go back in with a pick just to add extra volume and get rid of any of the parts that you may have seen in her hair previously. How do you like the end results?
I love it. It's so soft.
It's defined, but you still got a lot of body and movement.
Right. I love how you still kept the curl pattern.
And it didn't take that
It's
long
light.
to diffuse it either.
No.
It just dries really quickly.
It's so light. I don't feel like I have anything in my hair. It feels good.
Super cute.